Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a slime collection and I'm so excited because I haven't showed you guys my slime. Go check out my other video. I don't know, showed 2 or 3 slimes. No, 2 slimes. So yeah, let's get started. So, there you go. So I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back and yeah, my first slime is going to be, I have 5 slime. One includes not a slime that I didn't make. I got it from the store. So the first one I got from the store is this silly sludge. This is like barrel slime. Yes, it has glitter. I don't know why. It's not stretchy or anything. If you just do the thing with your hands, it doesn't make anything. So yeah, that one I gave it 1 out of 10. Yeah, and I'll be rating this. So yeah. Sorry guys, I say yeah a lot of time. And I don't. And if you go like this, it makes every sound. That sludgy sound. So now, I'm going to start with my little sign. So this is a sign that it is kind of light. This is only has gold stars. Kind of purplish stars. I think. Because it has, I think the blue turned the gold side a bit purple. So this is a slime. It is pretty stretchy. So yeah, look at this. Look how stretchy this is. No, I didn't put no borax. I put detergent. Then I'm going to put it with my finger. There you guys. So I'm going to get the camera. I'll show you guys up close. So I'm just gonna try to do something. So guys, I'm back and that's the first one. I give this one a 9 out of 10. Cause it does get a little bit glitter. So yeah, let's see. So this is my first slime. The second small slime I have is this one. It just has golden sprinkles and it's like a light white color. This is the glue I use for all of them. I know I got another pair, but I can use for all of them. So I got 2 big ones. This one is very sticky, very messy. Gets a lot of glitter on your hands. I give this one a 1 out of 10. Like you see all of that. Go check out my other channel. It is Aliana Nieves. Go check out. I know I said this is going to be my ring channel. I'm going to do some challenge, like Taki challenge. I never tasted Takis before. So yeah, I see all of my friends eating them. I tasted one, but girl. Boys and girls, go subscribe me now, if you can. Tell me in the comments what's your favorite color. Yeah. So I give this one a 9 out of 10. Just give your hands a lot of glitter on your hand. And it's very hard to put it in because your fingers get stuck. So I have to go like this. It's like oobleed. Stays, and look at this. Look how sticky this thing is. You see that? Look how sticky that is. My friend was playing with it and she didn't know. So she did barely know how to play with it. So so that's the first slime. So I'll be right back. Yes, guys, I've changed the view, finally. So now we're going to start with these big slimes. The first one I'm going to start with is this one. Sorry guys, this is my sister. And this one. This one is it's a different slime than this one, but it is pretty sticky again. Ew! Be right back. So guys, I'm back. Sorry, I had to change view because my phone is charging and you might see the thing. I made it, higher for you guys so you can see the slime. And then this is my slime box. I see the V and the O's right there and the X right there, that line. So I'm getting the slime that I was showing you guys. I left it on the counter. Ugh! Sticky, guys. It's so sticky. So these are the 2 slimes. This is the one I did. So this one is it's very sticky too. But this one's a lighter color than the other one, but it still has gold stars. You see how sticky this is, guys? See this? You see this? It's stuck on my hand. This one was more stickier than the little one. So I guess this thing fell. It's very focused. So yeah, very, very sticky. It does make a loud noise when you put your fingers tapping it. Ugh. Okay, put this one away. That one's giving me 1 out of 10 too. This one is a bit purplish in the other one and has the same sprinkles. This one is focus. It is very stretchy. No borax on the thing. Very puffy. Great fun. Very fun to play with. My next video I might do a room tour or a house tour. So yeah. So this one is the first line. Not the first line, I'm stupid. I'm gonna let it focus for a little bit. So guys, I hope you liked this video. I don't know if it was on this whole time, but yeah. The nice one. So this one was 10 out of 10. 1 out of 1. 10 out of 10. 1 out of 1. 1 out of 1. So